Alright, welcome back to the channel. Once again, everybody, my name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and today we are working on a custom wide-body design for the Aventador S. Now, if you follow me on Instagram or have seen any of my previous work, you may have noticed that I created a front view of this wide-body design, and what I wanted to do was create a rear view to complement the front. And what I wanted to do was something a little bit different from my normal videos. I think what I'm gonna do is break these up into different parts or episodes. Maybe it'll be 2 or 3 or maybe 5 episodes of showing the progress. It'll make these a little bit easier to digest. Otherwise, I think the videos will just be a little bit too long, but this kind of gives you a sneak peek into my airbrush methods and my photo manipulation, just kind of my own thought process. And what I like about these is that they really allow my mind to just kind of explode into Photoshop and just kind of go wild, which is why I love doing these. I love doing the spec renderings too, but these are also just way more in-depth and they take a lot more time, and I could just have a ton of fun with these. So sit back, relax, and I'll catch back up with you guys in just a minute. All right, I'm gonna leave it off there. Again, if you would like to see the progress on this as I continue to render, feel free to hit that subscribe button, give a comment below, and a like if you like this video. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design. I'll catch you guys next time.